Hey me Jules, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I hope you joined the family. If you're returning, what's good, what's popping? Let me know how you're doing in the comment section below. So in today's video, it's just a really quick video just to show you how I package orders. So whenever we get an order, what I normally do is I print out the order slip and I make sure that I collect all the items that are in the order. Then I highlight them to make sure that I've actually packed every single thing. Then I obviously make boxes. So within this box we will be putting soaps. So we put soaps, sometimes we put the oils in this box as well, and then our other boxes are used for like the body scrubs. So that's how I make them. Fairly easy, and it is quite simple. I do enjoy making them because they make me feel like, yeah, boss B, like come through, boss babe up in the cut. And when I finish making the box, then I put our lovely pink shredded papers. I actually did buy it. It's not like I didn't shred the papers, I actually bought shredded paper. Well, it's not really paper, but it's shredded confetti kind of material. And then I will usually need to print out the thank you sticker. So basically I write hi, for example, whatever your name is, and it says thank you for supporting our business. And I think that's a very nice personalized touch. I do really enjoy that bit of our business. Like I've tried to make it as personal as I can. So I print your name, I provide motivational or affirmation stickers as some people call it, just an upliftment, you know, because it's nice to get a package and then you see like something very cheerful, very happy, very uplifting. And that's what I want the business to be known as, you know, something that when you order from us, you're not just ordering items, you're also going to get your affirmations, you're going to get your motivational stickers as well. So that's what I just love it. I just love it because look at that one, says, oh lord, choose happy. So I'm reading it upside down. And that one says be, I can't read upside down, but you get the drift. You get the drift. So I put in the motivational stickers into our package, and then I also wrap our package. So each package does get wrapped individually. Like when you order with us, you're getting more than just, you know, a massive company that just dash your things together. We actually put it together. So I literally sit there, it's every single order, I make sure I package it, I make sure I make it personal, I make sure all your items are in there. Sometimes I give away freebies as well. Your name is going to be on the package, you know, just that personal touch. And that's what I really love about our business. Now if you don't know, we do have a body care business. So we sell like body scrubs, body oils, soaps. So anything to do with like your self-care routine, that's what we provide. We do ship internationally as well. So if you ever need anything to do with like scrubs, soaps, anything along that line, then you need to holler your girl. I will leave our website in the description box below. I really do hope you've enjoyed this video. I just wanted to come on here and just to show you how it's really done. You know, running a business is very difficult. Like it's not the easiest thing to do, but I must say since relaunching, because we were once the Pretty Doll Vibes, but we changed over to Timeless Beauty and You. Since relaunching, you all have been so supportive, and I'm so grateful. Like me and mommy are really blessed to have you guys supporting our business. So big up your nice clean self, and thank you so much. This is a clip where I'm showing you how I package the body scrubs, and it goes into that kind of box. So yeah, I do love packaging orders. Like it's a passion. It makes me happy. That's what it is. It gives me joy, peace, happiness. I just love when you guys order and I package you guys orders, and you know, the good thing. But yeah, thank you for watching so much. I'm Julsz Tymm, and over here we have a good time all the time. Big up yourself. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.